Well, hi everyone. I'm Local 5 Chief Meteorologist Brad Edwards. Our latest weather system coming through with several inches of snow expected and a lot of problems on the roadways, or at least some problems. It's not a blizzard, not as bad as last week, but the snow will be wrapping up by 10 p.m. in most areas of central Iowa. Still some blowing and drifting after that tonight because of the winds, and they're not terribly strong. They're not as strong as last week. We don't have as much snow as last week, so it'll be lesser of an issue, but still watch out on those rural roads. Even into tomorrow morning, that's where they're likely to still be pretty bad because some of those drifts in those rural areas were really tall, and this is going to kind of compound that. Winds up to 30 miles per hour at times. Roads likely to get better during the day Friday. We'll see a little sunshine, but the cold winds and the temperatures are going to combine to make it feel pretty nasty out there. Additional snowfall. This is on top of what we've seen, but generally it's going to be falling in eastern Iowa this evening. Totals are going to be around 2 to 4 inches. Or 2 to 3 inches. A few areas maybe get close to 4, but 2 or 3 inches expected. It's a very light, fluffy snowfall. Here's our futurecast. Starting at 6 p.m. Thursday, that snow starts to move on out, and we're by 10 or 11 o'clock, it's out of the metro. Temperatures are falling here. Clouds might break up, and if the clouds leave us, we'll probably go below zero in some areas tomorrow morning. That northwest wind is stiff tomorrow, but it's probably not strong enough to blow the snow. Some of the models produce clouds tomorrow afternoon, and maybe some snow showers or flurries Friday afternoon will be possible. This won't really accumulate, but it'll look like winter still, and it'll feel like it for sure. We get really cold going into Saturday morning, sub-zero. We're talking teens below zero, and then a very cold Saturday with highs barely getting above zero. Now, those wind chill values, we are going to have a wind chill advisory or warning posted through into the weekend. You can see the wind chills, teens and 20s below, maybe get down to 30 below. Saturday morning is likely to be the coldest morning we are going to deal with here in the next couple of days. Snow early tonight, about 2 to 3 inches as we end up with in central Iowa. Looking for 2 below or so in the metro, about 5 for the high on Friday. Cold and breezy, a few flurries or snow showers possible. We do have milder weather coming. After a cold start Sunday, it does get milder in the afternoon, but not that great. It's still below average. We do get to average temperatures or a little bit above average next week. Temperatures still in the low 30s here, kind of hovering around freezing most of the week, so there could be some potential problems for drivers there Monday night into Tuesday morning especially.